Hi, welcome to Logo Academy. So in this video we are going to talk about finance modules, loans and credit or planned payments. So let's go to the Logo J-guar system. So for when we talk about loans we means credit. So to have or to take credit we have to define the bank accounts. We should have a bank account in any of the banks. We should have a mechanism to pay the EMIs. So let's start with the loans and credit. So I'll go with every detail thing as it is very important. So let's go for a bank account. So let me create a new current account. So this current account is actually being used for, to give the EMIs, or you can say it is that account which I am defining from which the EMIs will get deducted automatically per month to a loan account. So loan account can be a virtual account, or like I'll give you a real time example. Like suppose if I have account in SDFC bank and I have taken a loan from ICICI bank. So either of the way I can do is I can transfer the amount to the ICI bank, or I can just transfer the account from my SDFC account to my ICICI account, and then it get automatically deducted from that account. So I'll show you how to do it. First we have to select the bank code. I've already created one bank of HDFC. Then let's go to the account number. So I'm just for the time being I'm copying the account code as account number. You can take any of them. You can give the account name. Suppose I'm giving XYZ. Organizational unit 01. It will come as center. Then currency you can give INR, and you can define the GL connection group also here. I'm moving ahead with it, saving it for further reference. So you'll find HDFC CAC account, that is account name is XYZ. I will create then a general loan account. So it I'm just creating it for reference, like for loan account. So this is the account from which the EMIs will get paid to the bank. It's a virtual account, you can say directly. So I'll just take the bank code, again HDFC. You can define as many bank as you want, because you can take multiple loans from the same bank or multiple loans from the multiple banks. Then again account number, let me define it as 12345 12345. So account code can be either same or it can be different as of account number. Let's define it as ABC. So this, now the major thing, as I have already told you in the previous account, now I am creating it. So in default account, so you have to link your savings or current account to this default account, because the loan should have linked with the account from where the money will come, and further it can go to the bank. So I have created one account for it. You can see HDFC XYZ. I'm selecting it. Then again you can define the currency INR. I'm saving it again. So all the accounts have been defined here. So I'm closing it and I'm going to credit. So here the definition of the loan will happen. So for day-to-day operation we need operations credit. I'm just opening it. So a browser screen will appear like this. So a code will appear. You can write it as credit machines. Then you need description. Why are you requiring this credit? By machines. I'm giving an example. By machines. Issue date is this. Loan account type is spot, revolving, other. I'll give you an example. Like, so revolving is like the credit which you can take from bank multiple time, but you have a credit limit defined. So suppose 10k is limit of your account. So either you can take 10k at a time, it can be other, or it can be on spot. But in revolving, like you can go to the bank. Suppose I'm in need of 2k, you can give me 2k right now. Later you go to the bank, I need 5k, you need 5k. Then again you go to the bank, 3k you required, you withdraw 3k, but the total is 10k. You cannot go beyond that unless you pay that loan. So I'm just taking it as other. Then auxiliary code, authorization code, document number, as per the requirement you can define it. I'm leaving it blank. Then number of installments. So suppose you can give the amount. So if I want like 10,000, the number of installment I want it to be paid in 2 installments. So here you can say due date I haven't defined, because it can be automatically defined by when we define the number of installment. So in either of the case you can define the due date, or you can go ahead with the number of installments. So let's go to fixed installment. You can define a simple rate of interest. Then when you go to account info, so here you will tell from which loan account. So again the loan account which I have defined, right, as you remember, ABC. So you find general loan, 2 loan accounts, yours one is ABC. So now this ARAP field will automatically get populated with the bank account which is linked with the your current account. Or you can manually add it like this. So XYZ was my account. So I've say you can find it like there. Now let's go to the credit info and let me see in 2 months the due date will automatically get assigned. So I'm not keeping it as any interest defined, because it is zero, and the as simple as calculation you will understand it. Now let's go to the planned payment. So planned payment is will tell you how you uh, pay the EMI as per the requirement. It can automatically get uh, calculated in our system. And one more thing you will find, like expense and commission. So like whenever we take a loan, so bank sometimes ask for our processing fee. Suppose you withdraw 10k and bank asks for a 1% processing fee, you can mention it here. So I'm again keeping it as 0 for simple calculations. We can save it. Do you want to generate planned payment lines? Yes. So here your loan will come. You can open it. See planned payments. So you will find like 5,000 you are paying two times installments amount. Then one time is 5,000 remaining, next time is zero amount because I have no interest defined in the system right now. So when we go to the finance person, they have the Excel for most of the thing. So we have integrated our system in such a way that we can actual easily import to the Excel, export to the Excel or import from the Excel. I'll just show you. Let me open my Excel. So I've opened my Excel sheet. I will just select this and drag and drop to the Excel. Okay. So you will find that interest rate is 0. So let me change it to 2%. Then interest amount will be uh, this into this divided by 100. So it around 100 rupees will be the interest amount. Then we just copy this data, control C, we come to our system. Let's delete that row from here and we copy paste it. Okay, so you'll find that you have taken loan. Your loan is starting from 19.5. You have to pay on 19.5 first, 19.6 again. For is 1,000. For 5,000 you have interest amount of 100 rupees. So you'll come downstairs. You'll find like interest as 100 rupees as you have changed here, but it's not changed yet. So let the total amount becomes 10,000 100 rupees. Let me change the interest as 0. The interest amount is 0. Again the amount will change because the interest rate is depending upon the company, as it is a uh, you know it's a multinational product is being used throughout 20 plus countries. So there it's as per the requirement we can define the rate of interest, hence I am making it as 0 only. So I'll save it. Save it. So after saving it, you'll find the status of that credit as draft. You have to right click on it. You have to go to change status. Then you have to mark it as approved. So your loan is now approved, and you can find it out the details again by double clicking it.